This is Quinn, and you're watching Big Daddy's channel. Hello there. Big Daddy Quinn is here, and today I am going to be doing a vlog about my Disneyland trip. Disney, literally my favorite thing ever. If you know me, you know I love Disney, and I know. Here is just fun little things that I got to do when I was there. Enjoy. So I leave tomorrow. I'm going to Disneyland, and I'm going to take you along with me. I am just driving up there, so I don't really have to worry about going on a plane or anything, which is super nice. I do live in California. It's gonna be a long drive because I'm on the northern end, and Disneyland is located in Anaheim, which is about 7 to 8 hours from where I live. So I'll bring you along with me. Okay, you guys, so I'm at CVS because I need to buy a few things, like some snacks and waters for the road, and a couple things that I didn't have when I packed. I know, super last minute. I have to go pick my friend up from LAX, so we are going to be driving all the way to LAX, which is approximately a 6.5 hour drive right now. Let's do this thing. Chicken wing road trip. To start off this really fun-filled journey, as you know, pretending to be like a little Disney character or a Disney princess, you know, fulfilling my wishes every time I go to Disneyland. My friend and I decided to come out with these super duper cute Tweedledum and Tweedledee outfits. Okay, so I have some stuff here that I got for our shirts. So we're trying to do Tweedledum and Tweedledee shirts. They were just adorable. I used my Cricut machine to create these shirts, and I made a little bow tie, and also these ears, as well as the ones that you are seeing here, are actually made by yours truly. Okay, you guys, I just finished, and here is the final results. We got a Tweedledum and a Tweedledee. I do love arts and crafts, and I do like making my ears. I also just can never ever come to spend $30 to $40 on the ears that they give you there, and they are so boring. Disney definitely picked up their ear game, but you know, nothing's better than custom made ears for yourself. Good morning, good morning. We are, oh, there's lighting right here. We are going to Disneyland. It is 7 a.m. and we're gonna try to get there before rope drop. Let's go. Good morning! We are here today, Tweedledum and Tweedledee. Hello, hello. Hi. Also, we got to do really fun things. I made reservations to the Blue Bayou, which is one of the most coveted restaurants in Disneyland, by the way, which is, you know, when you sit on the Pirates of the Caribbean ride, you kind of float by and you see all the people eating over there. Yeah, that's where I ate. You're definitely paying more for the atmosphere than you are for the food. The food was pretty good. Not me trying to, you know what? You have to pick it up! Okay, I'm trying to pick it up. I'm trying to be fancy. Me too. It was definitely on the very expensive end, but what isn't in Disney? I also got to do fun things such as the Food and Wine Festival and California Adventure. I got to try so many different foods from our sip and savor passes that we got. I definitely highly recommend because they have so many delicious treats. Cheers! That's really good. Okay, we'll eat it before. Ooh, that's good. It's not too sweet. you know, the alcohol. Let me just say, we had a pretty good time with the alcohol as well.
Yeah, right?
A little too sugary. It's like pineapple soda.
So good.
Where's the alcohol though?
I know.
$38 for soda. Are they stiffing us? We'll never know. Where's the vodka? Ooh.
Right?
Yeah, she's very passion fruity. Smells like alcohol. That's a good thing. No more cheers. Oh no.
Well, we're gonna get tipsier.
At least we'll get drunk.
Keep the buzz going.
$10 to get drunk. We're here for it.
Yep.
Versus $15 to feel.
Or $38.
$38 to feel nothing.
Yeah, for some soda.
5 minutes later.
We're just a teensy bit tips.
We're tipsy, but you know, that's like the fun and everything, you know?
Yep.
Today we are in Adult Land. I mean California Adventure. I mean
Dreamland. Dreamland.
Oh, we're in Dreamland. Okay, wait, we should put this away before they like cancel us forever.
I know.
Okay, what is number one? We have a
Corn vineyard.
Sauvignon Blanc. Tell me how we pronounce that.
Sauvignon Blanc.
She's like apple initially.
Oh, she's good.
She tastes
Much
like
better than our canned wine.
Fun fact, if you want to save money, get canned wine. But she's disgusting.
Real bad.
Period.
You have 4 options of disgusting. So.
Yeah, 4 options disgusting.
But you know, it makes it a little better.
This one's slightly better.
No,
She's not.
much better.
No, she is much better. She tastes
Much
like apple
better.
initially.
Yes. Like a
The aftertaste,
fresh,
though.
crisp, like honey.
A few minutes later.
We have our Naomi.
Miss Tweedledee.
Oh, Tweedledum. We have our Naomi Rosé.
Wait, so we should do this whole thing in a British accent?
Australian.
I don't know how to do an Australian accent.
You're already doing it.
I am doing an Australian accent.
You are cracking up. Like, actually, like I'm.
Well, in fact, we had so much fun that we missed the whole show that they play in California Adventure. What is it called? Oh, World of Color. So yeah, we completely missed World of Color, unfortunately, but also, you know, we got a little carried away with how much wine we were able to drink. All the rides were amazing. We got some goofy little photos, which was just a dream. Frolicking around and being free little birds is just the most exciting part of my Disneyland experience. Not to mention, I got to go to Oga's Cantina, which I also made all these reservations ahead of time, and I know they are always sold out, but I have a little cheat that I'm going to share with you, and that is because I used Mouse Watcher, and it's a website you can go on. They also have Disneyland reservations on multiple websites, and I'm gonna link them all down below, and they notify you every time a new reservation opens up. But you gotta be really quick once you get that text message, because it's first come, first serve, and you gotta be, you know, ready to book that reservation. And let me tell you, I was born ready to book my Disney reservations. I'm here to interrupt this important message by saying I have a Disney themed Etsy shop right down below where I create my own little designs for Disney themed items. And if that's something you're interested in, why don't you just support a girl out? Also, I have a whole complete packing guide for Disney as well. That's also gonna be down below. Okay, back to the video. I also got to ride on all my favorite rides, not to mention, that includes Indiana Jones, Snow White, and then I also got to do my other favorites like well, the previously known Tower of Terror, which is now Guardians of the Galaxy. Still one of my favorites, love it. The Incredicoaster, you gotta ride it both day and night because they both have their each unique individual experience. Also, oh, that clock. Killjoy. If you can name the movie, then you're a Disney pro too. Yeah, I just got to do all of the exciting things that I just wanted to do. I'm also very happy that I got to go before they officially are going to close down Splash Mountain and retheme it into a Princess and the Frog themed ride. So if you have the chance to go to Disneyland before then, Splash Mountain will be no more, and I'm so sad. So sad. I'm gonna just pay homage through this little video right here.
Yes, I do.
We just got off of Mr. Toad's Wild Ride.
Yes. We died and went to hell?
Literally, that was the conclusion. If you ever go on Mr. Toad,
No happy ending there.
no happy ending. You just end up in hell. And that's it. Thank you, Walt Disney, for your super dark stories.
Yep.
I like to plan my trips to be more magical by planning it on days that are less busy. It was still slightly busy, but I've seen worse days. But yeah, thank you so much for sitting through this little video. While you still can, please subscribe to this video for more content. Also, comment down below if you enjoyed this. Okay, well, yeah. I am off to go before midnight. Goodbye. Toodles. Big Daddy out.